Hey everyone, we are back at Laurel Run, episode 50. Been here so many times. I am with my buddy from Rogersville, Shane. I promised I would keep him off camera. Can I say your name at least? Okay, good. Just because we're going to the back end of Laurel Run, the Lager Falls area, where the trash pile is and where the suspected camp was. We don't know who camped there, but there was a camp there. Corey Tester, can't remember his last name. Corey found that and sent me the videos, so we're gonna go check it out, look through that pile. I'm not so interested in the trash, although I am kind of interested in checking if there's anything in the car, but we're gonna just scan the trash area. I'm really interested in the mountains, the cliffs, any caves in the area behind around the waterfall. I think Shane and I are just gonna have a conversation. Probably not gonna do much filming until we get closer to Lager Falls, because you guys have seen this trail a million times. So we're gonna get going and turn the camera back on when we're there. I love this part.
Yeah, spreads out.
Yep. So it is, and that's where we got sidetracked.
We tried to cross the creek.
Yes, and then we figured out, oh, this is the actual trail, which Jen wanted to go on originally. So this is nice. It's not that well maintained, but it's better than the other side. Pretty much goes along the whole creek.
Yeah, people my age at work. I mean, I don't want to.
See all those cliff faces?
Yeah.
Isn't that amazing? And it's like that all the way down.
Up now.
Yeah, it is. I don't know. It's more, at Lager Falls, the land is more gradual, so you could actually get to the cliff bottom. This would be a nightmare. How steep it is all the way up.
That'd take me 2 days.
Oh yeah, just this area, yeah. And it's hard to tell people, like, you can't tell when you watch it on TV how difficult that is.
Yeah.
Till you see it in person, it's like, oh yeah, that's really high up there. It goes all the way up into the trees. I can't even imagine how many feet, if you had to guess.
Over 100.
It's got to be 2 or 3.
50 or something. I'm scared. I mean, I don't know.
I had a 100-foot driveway in Maine, and it was probably about half of that right there. So it's got to be 200 feet, I would think. Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, I've been wanting to come back here a long time, but people our age don't want to go.
See how beautiful Lager Falls is?
That's it.
That's Lager Falls. Isn't that amazing?
It's higher.
We did look in that crack up there. There's one on the upper corner. That's the one I filmed. But wow.
This is where you want to go, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Behind the falls, it's a trash pile that way. And it's like cliffs like this all the way through. See those junk? We're already starting to see junk. There's a blue thing, nothing in it. Yeah. All right. So made a note of that one. See how high they go? All up there.
Yeah, that's what, I guess that's what I'm doing.
Yep. That's beautiful. Nice. Yeah, let's just go dump our garbage in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, Corey was right. This part beyond Laurel Falls is rugged. We're gonna have to walk up through here. Otherwise, we're gonna walk all the way through the woods. It almost looks up there like there's a flat piece of land. Almost looks like it could be a trail, but I'm not sure enough to like hike all the way up there just to find out it's not. So we're gonna follow the trail as far as we can, the brook as far as we can. And once we get to the trash pile, we'll start searching the upper areas all the way down through here. Just random little weird things. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, that's not a bracelet. That's like a piece of can or something. Things here and there. Bucket. I think what it is the trash pile down there. Things get washed down when the water's high. But yeah, I think, unless I'm seeing things, straight that way. So we're on the right side. Keep going that way. I just thought of something. Isn't that good? Just came in my head.
That's pretty good.
What I thought of is, I don't know how far this thing is, but Corey, you oversold this hike, man. It's not 500 feet after the falls. It's got to be, a mile is 5,280 feet, so yeah. We're gonna keep going and find this car, but if we don't, I'm coming to talk to you. I think I do see the top of something over there, so we're gonna head that way.
It's gotta be a forward.
Are you a Chevy guy?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's not too bad. Bed springs. Bed springs, bed springs.
Hard stuff left there.
What's that?
Get down right here.
Oh yeah, right through there. It just gets washed down. He did tell me about this waterfall.
I think we're close.
So we're really close. Yep.
Yeah, I like it. Yeah.
So that's a tank with a valve on the end. Can't open it.
Well, I don't know.
I went, well, the, like a gas tank deal, that kind of valve.
Yeah.
So no lid. It can't be opened up to see the inside, right? So I see no junk, no car, no nothing, no nothing. Even in there I don't see, there's no, although he said it looked like it had fallen off the cliff, so I don't know which side he's talking about, but on that side it would be in that opening somewhere. Unless he was zigzagging through the woods all around.
I think it's up a little bit.
I had no idea the falls here were this beautiful, just letting you know. The second falls, when Corey mentioned second falls, I was thinking a smaller set of falls. This one is a cascade that comes down and then down into this amazing pool. And potential for caves up in this cliff area here, or there, or there. This is another place to explore. I think we're really close to the road though. Any further, and I don't know how long we're on Laurel Run, because I think the top of that cliff might be property. Not sure. Hey, yeah, I just saw it. And we found the vehicle. I found parts of a vehicle right there, but there's a vehicle up there that went right off that cliff. We're gonna take a look at that close up, but very excited to find this spot. A little further than Corey had said, but it was worth it. We're gonna spend a lot of time here. It's only 12:40, so got some searching to do. Isn't that amazing? So I'm gonna have to wade in, unfortunately. I'm probably gonna take off my shoes, actually. It's all sandy. I'm gonna walk in there, and I am gonna shove my camera underneath there to see if it's actually a cave. I cannot not check that.
up there.
What?
It's really something to see. Really.
Yeah. Oh, good.
Trail up. There is a trail up there. It's not a driveway, it's a trail.
It's a trail?
Yeah, but it looks pretty grown up. And, I don't know whether it'd be better to go that way or what.
Stepped it.
Looking down at the car, it's really an amazing shot. I mean, really. I went down there, circled around it, there's all kinds of broken glass and stuff. So
Okay.
it's real dangerous.
It's what we live for. If it wasn't dangerous, everyone would do it, right?
That's right. I mean, this is broken glass. Sharp metal and stuff like that.
All right, so we are going up to the car. It's pointed this way. We're going up to the car now, and I guess there's a trash pile. I didn't think this was much of a trash pile. So the trash pile's up there. All right, we're gonna go check out the car, get to the trash pile, because supposedly the cave is between the trash pile and the waterfall, but now I don't know if he meant trash pile and waterfall or trash pile and waterfall. There's two waterfalls. But we'll see where it is and then judge. I don't know, maybe there's no cave, but anyway, off to the trash pile. Oh yeah. Wow. Look at that. It looks like it flipped up from its side all the way down there. So it had to have come off that part right there. Long ago, before the trees were there. Oh, their 8-track is all.
Yeah, that's what it was like. 8-track, there's all kinds of trash inside. And under. And there's rock.
No, it won't break. It's good. Oh yeah. So the bulk of the trash pile is underneath this car, right?
Yeah.
Down there.
Right.
Oh yeah, I see it all. People are just all kinds of crap.
I can go back through here.
It's a huge glass bottle, like old, big.
Old.
Yeah.
I think some crap blue ribbon here, so that's old.
Yeah. You know, I thought maybe this was a campsite before, but now that I see it in person, there's no fire ring, I mean there's a burnt log, but there's no sign of anyone living here. It is a beautiful spot though. So I see potential openings on that side over there at the bottom, and that would be toward the other waterfall, or this side. I don't know what did you go over there yet?
Yeah, I'll come down and see there, circle around.
So that was just a ledge, there's nothing under there.
No.
Okay. Oh, that's slick, huh? All right.
Open them, but there is neat. Oh, that's muddy crap right there.
Yep. It's weird. So the water's coming from that little crack in the back.
Yeah.
See, a lot of times you luck out and it's coming out of an opening.
When you first see it, you look like it's a big cave.
Yeah, I'm telling you, every time. Inside. Oh yeah,
Yeah, it goes back in there a little way.
it's a cavity about, I would say, what, 4 or 5 feet?
You don't see no eyes looking at you.
No, I don't. Not even a snake.
There'll be some timber rattlers around.
Yeah, I know. That's the last thing I want to encounter in one of these. Stick my head into one of these caves. Okay, so I'm not going to record your face, but I need to hear your answer to my question. After you've
I'm
been,
not good with words. Man.
it's okay. So you've been through a typical day. Although that was a harder hike, I got to give you that. That was a harder one. On a level of scale of 1 to 10, 10 being like insanely difficult. What would you say the difficulty of that was today?
Being old.
Yes, you can count that as part of the score.
I'm out of shape. I don't know how to rate it.
Was it pretty tough?
Yeah, it was.
It's I don't know. Oh, yep. It's not always like that, you know. There's places that have a trail that have like cliffs to search right nearby. That area, Laurel Falls, is just not easily accessible at all.
Yeah, I'm sure it's not the worst, but it's not the best either. But you know, to get through. But I enjoyed it. Though.
It was fun, wasn't it?
Yes.
It was an adventure. We are on the last stretch back to the Jeep. Obviously, we didn't find anything specific, but we did learn a bit. After seeing the place in person, I honestly don't think it's a campsite for anyone. There was some stuff that got burned, but could very well be, you know, a bunch of kids out there just messing around. We did find actually Shane found the car, the junked car. That was interesting. Flipped right off the cliff upside down. And then that's where the trash pile is. If I called anything a trash pile, it would be what's under the car. So found that, searched that area of the waterfall. I tried to get under the water so I could see if there's an underwater cave there, but my broken pole isn't long enough, so I'm just not going to be able to. If it doesn't show up on the camera today, then I'm going to have to go back and do it with a longer one. So check that out. Got a few angles under the water, and then we just noticed the whole way amazing cliffs with what looked to be giant caves, and not enough time in the day. We're approaching the end of, you know, closing time of this place, so we couldn't start scrambling up the cliff and checking caves, although we did start doing that on a few of them. And then we realized we would not have enough time to get back to the gate, because for some reason they closed the park at 4 o'clock, which we've been complaining about together the whole time. So I just need to say it one more time to everyone so they know we're not happy about it. Look how sunny it is, and they're gonna close in an hour. All right, so I think that's gonna be it for this time. I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful day at least, and we'll see what the water footage looks like once I get home. But I hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you next time. And that's the moment my wife would always go, bye. Every time.